So this video is going to be for the JW original song, Now Is the Time. It's in response to a request to do just a simple chord playthrough of this. So this song is in the key of G. So the chords that you're going to need for this song are G, C, E minor 7, which is just a G variation. So it's just like the G that you lift up your ring finger. D, A minor 7, which is just like the A minor, but you're adding the C note down at the bottom. Or you can just play it open as well. It's an A minor 7, but I think it sounds better like this. And then you're going to be playing another G slash B. You're going to see in the sheet music there. The slash B is just making sure that you're playing that B root note as your final note ringing out there, so that you're not playing a variation like this or this that don't have that B note. So you just want to make sure that you have that, and then the A minor, and then a D sus4. D sus4 is also a G chord variation, so there's your G. The D sus4, all you're doing is you're lifting up your middle finger. There's the D sus4. So your E minor 7, your D sus4. So some really nice melancholy notes in there, and give it some feeling, some flavor there. So let's just go ahead and play through this song first. I'll give you the link in the description below for the sheet music. Instead of taking you to guitar tabs this time, I'm just going to include a link right to the song on jw.org, and you can just download or print the sheet music and play off of that. It'll probably be easier because this is an exact copy of that sheet music. So let's just go ahead and play through this and kind of see how it sounds, and then I'll go through what I do to get that sound. So it starts off in G here. All right. So that's just a run through there. A few little mistakes in there, but you guys get the idea. So starting off, the picking pattern there to follow along with, sort of follow along with the original is, so you're going an inside out pattern. So picking down C string with your thumb, up with your pointer on the E, and then moving the thumb to the 4th string there, your G string, and then picking up with your middle finger on the A string. So, and then just repeating it back down. So keeping up with the rhythm. And then you just do the chord changes, of course. So that's the idea on that. As far as the chorus goes, when you get to the chorus, is the message we proclaim, is the message will proclaim, and then it's a pause and you want to stop after that D, so you strum it and pause, and then now is the time. Starting off with that, it's just a down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up strumming pattern that I'm doing. So. Are here. And right back in. And when you get to the bridge, that's really the only other variation. You can do whatever you want with it. You can just strum. Now that the final days are here, that chorus, and then it goes into the G. And then E minor with all loyal ones surrounding us. C, we will run. So you can just strum it like that, or you could just do a light picking, same pattern inside out. So with the loyal ones, C, G, then we turn and you go A minor, final corner, and the New World, C. And there you have your D sus4. D. Now is the time. I like to just do a, because it goes along with the clapping that they have in there. So now is the time for preaching with zeal. Something like that. So hopefully this gives you some ideas, and if you have any questions on it, feel free to put them in the comments down below. Once again, I'll include the sheet music in the description below, and you can just go to the site and print it out. Thanks for watching. Have fun with this song.